Kucoin, how to set up your Kucoin Dca bot and how to set up your Kucoin GridBot. I had quite a few requests on how to do it. So let's have a look at Kucoin, look at the Dca bot and the GridBot, and let's set them up. We'll start from the beginning. First of all, Kucoin is the people's exchange and it has over 1,200 different trading pairs, making the opportunities endless to trade on. But let's get to Kucoin. The back office when you log in looks like this. Kucoin do have one unique feature. If you want to deposit money, it gives you the option to deposit via fiat using your MasterCard or Visa, or you can do a regular crypto deposit. But let's get to the bots and see what's what. On your dashboard, you're going to go to trade, go down to trading bot, and this page will open. Kucoin trading bots, 9.1 million different bots created worldwide and by all the users on the Kucoin exchange. Easy. They have minimum trade sizes of less than $1. Minimum trade size on the Dca bot is $1. And the minimum trade value you need for the GridBots depends on your setup. But we'll try and do it on the lowest amount possible. But first, let's get to the Dca bot and see how do you set up your Dca bot. As you can see, Kucoin's trading bots, you got your spot GridBot, your futures GridBot, your smart rebalancing, and your Dca spot bot. You click on create bot and this page will pitch up. Now the person who asked said Dca bot on BNB USD. If you click on it, you'll see you have multiple different options. You can do Bitcoin, you can do Ethereum, you can do XRP. You can more or less name the coin, and if you can trade it against USDT, you can use it in your Dca bot. Now today we're going to do BNB against USDT. Invest every. Now you get options. You can invest every hour, every 4 hours, every 8 hours, every 12 hours, daily, every second day, every third day, every fourth day, weekly, or every 2 weeks. Now for this, we're going to do investment daily, once a day. It means if I'm opening the bot right now, tomorrow exactly this time, it will put another buy in. Date of first investment, we're going to do it right now, or you can give a date when you want to do it, but we're going to do it right now, right here. The amount we're going to invest, we're going to do it easy. The amount which gives everyone the opportunity to get in, which is $1. You can put the maximum amount in. You can say $100. If it used $100, it will stop. And then we'll just let it run until it reaches the amount of profit you want to take. But I'm not going to put the amount in because I'm willing to let it run and run until it reaches my mark of profit. Looking at the advanced settings, you get the option to choose the amount of profit you want to take. Now you can choose 10%, you can choose 500%, you can choose 2%. We'll put it on 5. And what this means is every time the bot reaches 5%, it will close your position, send you an email, and you can restart the bot again. The second option you can choose is once the target is reached, notify and continue to Dca. So that puts you in control and you can decide if you want to close it or leave it. Or the second option you give is once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions. Now I do like this option due to the fact I'm happy to take my profits and restart. That means my capital keeps on growing and growing as it turns over. But yet again, this is so unique and easy and user-friendly from the People's Exchange that it's putting you in control of how you want to control your trade. Now we're going to click confirm. Everything is in place. We can just click on create, confirm, and our bot is running. As you can see, our DCA bot BNB USDT is up and running and moving on. Now, let's get to our spot GridBot. How to set up our spot GridBot. You're following the same steps. We'll start from the beginning. When you're on your dashboard page, you can go to trade and you can click on trading bot. The page will open. Now it gives you the different options at the top: the spot grid, the future grids, the smart rebalance, this DCA, and the infinity. Now we're going to do a spot grid bot. As you can see, I got multiple bots running and I'm just letting them keep on going and turning over. As I believe crypto will move up in the future, I'm happy with it and all my prices is still in range. So let's have a look. Let's take a bot we haven't opened yet. Let's have a look and see. We'll take Shiba Inu, for example. We'll take it, put in Shiba. Let's see, Shiba. Here we go, we got Shiba. We'll click on it. And now it gives you the option. You can auto choose a bot. That means the bot is created according to the latest information the spot grid bot on Kucoin has. As we can see, a grid profits APR around about 24.1% on this selected section. It gives you the option of amount of money you want to put in. And the minimum needed is only $30 to start this bot. $30 to start a bot. How many bots out there can you start for $30? Now let's have a look at the weekly chart just to give us an indication of how wide we can go. If we want to put this in for long term, we can also customize this bot. Let's go to all-time high, which is at 000088. We'll put it 00008836, and it shows you the price must be lower than 618. So the highest you can go is 618. Now we want to look at what's the lowest. This is a long-term setup, 457, and it shows you the lowest we can go is 247, but we want to go 457. Putting that in, it shows you can have a maximum of 100 orders. I do like placing 100 orders. That means I get a maximum amount of turnover possible by doing this. We can see the minimum amount needed for this setup is $86 divided by 100 different trades. That means it's 86 cents minimum for a trade. Looking at our profit grids with fees deducted, we're going to average between 0.77% all the way up to 12% profit on the different trades, creating a massive opportunity to open these grid bots with small amount of money. If you do open a grid bot with a small amount of money, I do recommend putting it in as a long-term investment because you just want to let it run between the grids. If it runs out above the grid or below the grid, just readjust your price range but keep the same setup. For example, if I click here on the price range, you get two options: expand price range or added price range. Now I like to edit my price range, and as you can see, this was my price range. I can just add it, adjust it, and then click next and confirm, making it super easy. And the main benefit of this, if you want to take your funds out, you just cancel the bot and it's back in your wallet. So it keeps on giving you control of all your funds. Now Kucoin is one of the top 5 exchanges, which making them a massive competitor in the crypto industry. Now let's get this bot started, and we'll keep our eye on it and see how it does. We'll have a look at our BNB bot as well as our Shiba Inu USDT bot. We're going to put the minimum amount in as they said. We'll put 0.9 to make it easy. And let's see how much money can a small amount make us. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below and let me know. Let's create this bot and get it underway. Our bot is created. Let it run and we'll see what profits it can make. And now our giveaway. As we know, Will Financials is having their pre-sale of the ULFX token. A unique pre-sale, and this company has built more or less everything prior to their pre-sale, which is making a huge difference. Now if you used my Lieback's link down in the description, and if you bought some ULFX tokens in this pre-sale, they'll double the amount of tokens you've bought up to 5,000 if your name falls on the wheel that's about to spin. So let's say, have you bought your ULFX tokens of Will Financials? Are you in the draw? But let's get going and see who is going to win today's draw. We got all the email addresses in here. If you're the winner, email me. Down in the description will be the email address so we can double your coins. We have a winner. Make sure if it's you to email me and claim your prize up to 5,000 coins. Have a good one and enjoy the extreme crypto gains.